Guys, Ashish this side. So this is the study in Ireland series. This is a 4 parts video series in which I'll be telling you everything that you need to know to plan your study in Ireland. So in the first part of this video, I'll be telling you about why study in Ireland, the education system of Ireland, top universities, popular courses and main cities of Ireland. So first thing, let's understand something about Ireland. So Ireland is located in the northwest of Europe. Politically, Ireland is divided between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland, which is a part of UK. Capital of Ireland is Dublin. Then other than that, Cork, Galway, Maynooth, Limerick are some of the popular cities of Ireland, and the official language of Ireland is Irish and English. Now, population of Ireland is approximately 49 lakhs and the urban population is about 14 lakh currently. The currency of Ireland is euro, and flight duration from Mumbai or Delhi to Dublin is about 12 or 30 minutes. Now, next thing that comes is why study in Ireland. So what are the facts that make Ireland a friendly destination, a friendly and safe country, English speaking country, world class universities you'll find in Ireland, low cost of education, tuition fee and accommodation, internationally recognized qualification and extensive choice of courses. Apart from that, Ireland is also European headquarters of many IT and pharmaceutical companies. Master degree is of 1 year in Ireland, post-study work visa of 2 years for masters, post-study work visa of 1 year for bachelor's honors program. So I'll tell you about the difference in honors and degree program, and then chance to get definite right to stay. So definite right to stay is similar to permanent residency. So just like countries Australia, New Zealand, Canada gives you permanent residency, you have an option of definite right to stay. So now next thing comes is Indians living in Ireland. So it is very important for Indian student to find out an Indian community, and that is the reason we tend to choose the country or the countries which have become quite popular have a significant number of Indians living in it. So there are around 60,000 to 1 lakh Indians residing in Ireland currently. Cities like Galway, Dublin, Cork, Limerick, Athlone are the regions where most Indians reside. Now next thing that comes is education system in Ireland. So education in Ireland is free at all levels for the national and residents of European Union. So this includes international education as well. However, this benefit is not applicable for international students. So while the education is free for the locals or to the citizens of European Union, but for international students you need to bear the cost. Entry into undergraduate course, ordinary and honors degree courses is generally done through the Central Applications Office. So we'll get through the details of all of this in later part of the video. This way prospective student to university apply through the CAO rather than applying at individual universities. So Central Application Office is the place or is the website or is the way through which you apply to the universities. Now next thing comes is the education system. So you have tertiary education system is in 2 parts, universities and colleges. So there are total 8 government funded universities providing undergraduate, postgraduate and degree programs. Then there are 14 government funded institutes of technology. They offer a wide variety of programs. Then mostly private, they offer a range of programs including professional certificate, diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate degree. So it is similar to all other countries. You have government universities, you have private universities and you have institute of technologies. All in all, multiple variety of institute. Then certainly we'll go in ranking to find out that which are the top institutes. Now next thing that comes is national framework of qualification. So Ireland has a national framework or qualification in which you will find NFQ level 7, which is the bachelor's ordinary degree, then NFQ level 8, which is the bachelor's honors degree, and then NFQ level 9, which is the master's degree. Next is the top universities, cities and courses in Ireland. So we'll talk about the top universities as per their ranking, and then what are the popular courses that students prefer in Ireland. So first we'll see the popular courses. So language and literature, business studies, medical courses, nursing, social sciences are some of the popular courses that students prefer in Ireland. But understand that courses is something which keeps on changing. So you need to focus on one, on the basis of what your interest is, second, what is in demand, and then you can do as much research as possible to find out what is best for you in terms of the right course. Now we come to the top Irish universities. So all the rankings that I'll be giving you is as per the QS World University Ranking 2021. So you have number 1 University of Ireland is Trinity College, which is ranked number 1 in Ireland and 101 in the world. Then you have University College Dublin, which is ranked 2 in Ireland and 177 in the world. Then you have National University of Ireland Galway, which is ranked 3 in Ireland and 238 in the world. Then you have University College Cork, which is ranked 4 in Ireland and 286 in the world. Then next you have is Dublin City University, ranked 5 in Ireland and 439 in the world. Then University of Limerick, which is ranked 6 in Ireland and ranked between 511 to 520 in the world. Next you have is Maynooth University, which is ranked 7 in Ireland and about between 701 to 750 in the world. Next you have is Technological University Dublin, which is ranked 8 in Ireland and ranked between 800 to 1000 in the world. Next you have is Griffith College. So apart from this, so these were the institutes or universities which are ranked under 1000 in the world and the top institutions of Ireland. Then apart from this, you have Griffith College, you have National University of Ireland, you have Waterford Institute of Technology, Cork Institute of Technology, being some of the institutions that you can look forward to. Now coming to top cities, so these are the top cities. These are the top cities which mostly student prefers to study in. So you have Galway, Limerick, Dublin, Maynooth, Cork, apart from many others which are preferred destination for study. Now you have Dublin, Limerick, Galway, Maynooth, Cork. So these were the top cities, education system of Ireland and the top universities. Now in the part 2 of this video, I'll be telling you about the admission process, intake timeline, eligibility criteria and documents required for admission. So apart from that, this channel has a lot of content if you're planning for study abroad, right from top countries to top courses to top universities, which you can explore. For any query, you can check the details in description on how to contact us. In case you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing this channel, like this video, comment, share with your friends. I'll see you soon in the part 2 of Study in Ireland series. Till then, stay connected.